Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we want to look at the Customize command for our toolbars. You can access this command using the View menu, pulling all the way down to Toolbars and then all the way down to Customize. This opens a new panel with a number of features designed to help you customize your toolbar use. At the very top, we have some tools for changing the icon settings themselves, which icons are shown on each individual toolbar, and some resetting options as well. First, let's look at changing our icon size. The default is a larger icon size displayed on the toolbars. We can change to the smaller size by clicking the associated radio button and clicking OK on the panel. You'll see now that all of my icons are significantly smaller, adding some additional real estate in my interface layout. Back in the Customize command, which we can also access by right-clicking on the toolbar area, we can switch our toolbars back to the default larger size. And then if we wish to customize a particular toolbar, for instance the View toolbar, we can check the box to expand that frame, and then, for instance, we can add a couple of additional user view icons such as user view 3 and 4 to my View toolbar, and then just simply click on OK on the panel to have that toolbar updated. We can see now that in addition to user view 1 and 2 on the View toolbar, I also have icons for view 3 and 4. Back into the Customize command panel, at the bottom of the frame for the View toolbar, you'll see a button, Reset to Defaults. This option will reset the state of all of the icons to that which was in place when Pointwise was first installed on your system. Additionally, below all of the toolbar frames is an option to reset to defaults all of the toolbar's icons. And then finally, we can also reset the layout of the toolbars, where they were located when you initially installed Pointwise, and the layout of the application itself, which includes things like the panels area and the messages window. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.